So children, look at the screen. So division is the reverse of multiplication. Division is distributing equally. So children, what is division? Division is the reverse of multiplication. So multiplication means repeated addition, whereas division means repeated subtraction. That means both addition, both division and multiplication are reverse of each other. And division means distributing equally, that is sharing equally. And see the second point, division is actually repeated subtraction of the same number. Division is a repeated subtraction of the same number. How many times you have to subtract? Until you get 0, you have to subtract. So children, see the next one. So if you know the multiplication tables well, division is not difficult. So children, first you have to learn the multiplication tables. In the previous chapter, we have learned how to write the tables. That is from table 5 to 10. That is the table of 5, table of 6, table of 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to we have practiced some 5 tables in the previous chapter. First, read thoroughly and by heart thoroughly those tables. Then these divisions will become very easy. And these divisions does not become difficulty. So if you read the tables very well. And next, to divide, we should start with the whole number and split into equal parts. So children, what is the division? How we can make a division? So first we should start with the whole number and split into equal parts. So children, for example, 6 divided by 2. Here 6 is the whole number and split that number 6 into equal parts. So children, so what is the symbol? So do you remember how we can read this symbol? So already you have learned in the previous class, that is in the first class, you have already learned about this symbol. So what is this symbol? So this is the symbol used for division. So we can read this symbol as divided by. So the symbol is divided by. So the symbol is used for division. So children, the next topic is division on the number line. So what is the number line? You have already learnt about number line in the previous section, that is the previous chapters. And already we have learnt how to do additions on the number line and how to do subtractions on the number line. And also we have learnt how to do multiplications on the number line. In the same way, in this chapter also, we will practice how to divide on the number line. So children, like all other operations, division can also be shown on a number line. So like addition, subtraction and multiplication. So this division can also be shown on the number line. So children, look at this. To divide 18 by 3, you start from 18 and take as many steps of 3 as possible till you reach 0. So children, do you understood how to show division on the number line? For example, so here is an example, 18 divided by 3. That means we have to divide 18 by 3. So how to show this division on number line? First to start from the whole number. So that is, start from the first number. What is the first number in the division? 18. So that's why, so on the number line, first you have to start from 18. And next, you start from 18 and take as many steps of 3. That means you have to take the steps. So how many steps you have to take, and in each step you have to cross 3 numbers. You have to cross 3 numbers in each step and move the number of steps until you get 0. So children, so we have moved every step for 3 numbers each. So for every 3 numbers, we have to move the steps and continue the moving of steps until we get 0. So children, start from 18 and count 3 numbers first. 1, 2, 3, and this is the first step. And again start from here, count 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So this is the second step. And again count 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So this is the third step. So in this way, for each step, you have to cross 3 numbers. And finally, so we have to reach 0. So the number of steps we have moved to get 0 will be the answer. So how many steps we have moved here to reach 0? So we have moved 6 steps to reach 0. That's why here you have taken 6 steps. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So children, do you understand how to show division on the number line? First, you have to start from the number. So what is the first number? 18. So start from the first number 18 and move in the steps of 3 numbers. So move each step, and for each step you have to cross 3 numbers in each step and continue the moving steps until you get 0. Then the number of steps you have taken to reach 0 will become the answer. So children, so this is about division on the number line. So now let us practice some problems on the number line. How to show division on the number line. So children, look at the screen. So here are some problems on the number line to show division on the number line. That is, divide the following using the number line. So here are some problems are given. That is, some divisions are given. We have to show these divisions on the number line. See the first division, 30 divided by 6. We have to show this division on the number line. How we have to show? Already we have explained in the previous example. So how we have to move? So how we have to start? Where we have to start? We have to start from the first number in the division. So what is the first number in the division? 30. So start from 30 on the number line. So here is the 30. So start from here. And now we have to move steps. And in each step, how many numbers we have to cross? We have to cross 6 numbers in each step. So that means starting from 30, count to 6 numbers for every step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 24 is the first step. And again count to 6 numbers for second step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, we have reached 18 in the second step. And again count to 6 numbers for next step. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have reached 12 for the third step. And again count to 6 numbers for the next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have reached the number 6 for the fourth step. And again count the 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the fifth step. And after completing the fifth step, we have reached 0. So in this way, we have to move steps until we have to reach 0. So to reach 0, how many steps we have moved? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have moved 5 steps to reach 0. That's why answer is 5. So let us see the second problem. That is, the second division is 24 divided by 4. Here we have to divide the number 24 by 4. So how we have to show this division on the number line? So first start from the number. That is, start from the first number on the division. What is the first number in the division here? The first number is 24. So start from 24 on the number line. Where is the 24 on the number line? So children, look at the number line. Here is the 24 on the number line. So start from the 24, and now we have to move steps until we have to reach 0. So in each step, how many numbers you have to cross? In each step, you have to cross 4 numbers. So that's why starting from 24, count 4 numbers for each step. So count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to 20. So this is the first step. And again count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after second step, we have reached 60. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the third step. We have reached 12. And again count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have reached 8 after fourth step. And again count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally reached 4 after fifth step. And again count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally we have reached 0 after 6 steps. So after 6 steps, we have finally reached 0. So that means the number of steps we have moved will be the answer. We have moved 6 steps. The answer is 6. So children, in this way, we have to move steps on the number line until we reach 0. See the next third problem. So here, the third division is 20 divided by 4. So now we have to divide the number 20 by 4. So how we have to show this division on the number line? So now we have to show this division on the number line. That is, start from first number in the division. What is the first number in the division? So 20 is the first number in the division. So start from 20 on the number line. So children, where is the 20 on the number line? So here is the 20 on the number line. And start from 20 and move steps. And how many numbers you have to cross in each step? So you have to cross the second number of steps. What is the second number here? 4. That's why you have to cross 4 numbers for each step and continue the moving until you reach 0. So children, start from 20 and count 4 numbers for each step. So count 4 numbers starting from 20. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have reached 16 after first step. And again count 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have reached 12 after second step. And again count 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. We have reached 8 after third step. And again count 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. We have reached 4 after fourth step. And again count 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have reached 0 after fifth step. So in this way, we have to continue the moving steps until we get 0. Then the number of steps we have moved will be the answer. How many steps we have moved here? Total 5 steps moved to reach 0. So the answer is 5. So children, so these are the some problems to show the division on the number line. And see, so children, let us see some more problems of division on the number line. So what is the next one? 18 divided by 2. So here we have to show this division on the number line. So in the same way, we have to continue the same process, same procedure. So as we have explained in the earlier problems. So first we have to start from the first number in the division. What is the first number in the division? 18 is the first number in the division. So start from 18 on the number line. So children, where is 18 on the number line? So here is 18 on the number line. And now you have to move steps. And in each step, how many numbers you have to cover? So in each step, you have to cross 2 numbers. In each step, you have to move, you have to cross 2 numbers. So that's why count 2 numbers starting from 18. So that is 1, 2. We have reached 16 after first step. And again count 2 numbers 1, 2. So that's why we have reached 14 after second step. And again count 2 numbers 1, 2. So you have reached 12 after third step. And again count 2 numbers 1, 2. We have reached 10 after fourth step. And again count 2 numbers 1, 2. We have reached 8 after fifth step. And again count 2, 1, 2. We have reached 6 after sixth step. And again count 2 numbers 1, 2. That is, we have reached 4 after seventh step. And again count 2 numbers 1, 2. And we have reached the number 2 after 8th step. And again count 2 numbers 1, 2. And finally you have reached 0 after 9th step. So in this way, you have to move on the number line, and in each movement, that is in each step, we have to cross 2 numbers and continue this moving until you reach 0. And how many steps you have moved here? So you have moved total 9 steps. So that's why the answer is 9. See the next problem, 25 divided by 5. So here also, we have to start from the number 25. So there is a 25 here. So here is the 25. So start from 25 and move steps. So in each step, how many numbers we have to cross? We have to cross 5 numbers in each step. So in this way, how many steps we have moved here to reach 0? So total we have moved 5 steps to reach 0. So that's why the answer is 5. So children, so these are the some example problems. We have practiced to show how to show division on the number line, and there are some more problems here, and practice the remaining problems at your home as a homework. So children, so next